when storms push through. Your silence speaks louder than most people's words, and your touch says things I swear I've never heard. I hear you, Sarah, I agree with you, baby. I love you deeper than it possibly to scare me. I just wish sometimes you look through my eyes to see the hurt I had, the battles I walk through. You're my anchor, my haven, my soft, steady ground, the heartbeat I run to when the world spins around. I love you, Sarah, I love you, baby, that's true. And I'm trying to show you my view. I agree with you, love, but hear my heart too. You move with purpose, no rush, no pretending. You want a love that's honest, loyal, never ending. You want actions that prove what the mouth can't say, a partner who shows up and doesn't walk away. And I swear I'm building myself into that man, even when I stumble, even when I don't. Let you read souls like books you've known for years. You sense every shift, the doubts, the fears, and when you open up, girl, it's rare and divine, like the world pauses just to watch you shine. Your heart is tender but heavier than most, carrying truths you never brag about or boast. I feel you, baby, the loyalty, the depth, the fight, the way you hold love like it's sacred light. And I want you to know that I hear you clear, even when my thoughts make it hard to steer. You're my anchor, my haven, my soft, steady ground, the heartbeat I run to when the world spins around. I love you, Sarah, I love you, baby, that's true. And I'm trying to show you my view. I agree with you, love, but hear my heart too. So take my truth the way I take your slow, with trust, with grace, letting both of us grow. I'm not perfect, but my love's not a phase. This rope's its devotion, it's the promise I raise. Just meet me halfway in the space between, where your calm earth meets my restless dream. I agree with you, Sarah, I love you, baby, all the way through. I just wish you'd understand my side too. Your scrawny monkey loves you, needs you to stand side by side and be understanding, loyal, and protect me too. You're my world, I just wish you would realize that you and I achieving our dreams, making life better is my intentions. No one has ever truly stood by me through thick and thin. My life's #1 dream has always been to have that kind of love, in love with everything I have, to have someone who I can just be real, honest, and evolve better with, to learn how to translate my life's things into where you understand. And I'm better at translating that. I'm not gay, I'm not interested in anyone else, and I'm never gonna be your enemy. Baby, please stop pushing me away to believe in things that I'm not. I truly love you, and I just hope that someday you'll unleash your fullest too. Sarah, be known. Stay cool, but the rhythm of your shadow keeps bending every yoke. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm acting like a damn fool, 'cause the heat waves hasn't dragged me back to you. No deep waves burn when I stay cool, but the rhythm of your shadow keeps bending every yoke. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm acting like a damn fool, 'cause the heat waves hasn't dragged me back to you. No deep waves burn when I stay cool, but the rhythm of your shadow keeps bending every yoke. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm acting like a damn fool, 'cause the heat waves hasn't dragged me back to you. No deep waves burn when I stay cool, but the rhythm of your shadow keeps bending every yoke. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm acting like a damn fool, 'cause the heat waves hasn't dragged me back to you. No deep waves burn when I stay cool, but the rhythm of your shadow keeps bending every yoke. I keep saying I'm fine, but I'm acting like a Celebrate on my love ninja. You move so fine, every step that you take got me losing my mind. Your touch, your voice, your vibe, girl, and all the lies. You're the heat in my chest and the chill on my spine. My love ninja, my love ninja. I'm a sprouting monkey and I'm right here with you. My love ninja, my love ninja, yeah. You paint my passion, baby, every stroke smooth. Watching you work got me caught in your groove. Your eyes pull me in like